The motor does look powerful, so let's take it outside and see if it can really fly. And also, this is one of the cheapest flying aeroplanes that is available online. So I got this from Amazon. The link for the same is shared below in the description. Let's check if it is flexible. I can literally bend the tail to 90 degree and it still comes to its original place. Even the wings are very flexible, so that's actually good. Even the entire body of the flight looks very flexible, so that like even if it falls, nothing really happens. Let me charge for some time. Once it's fully charged, it can fly for 40 to 50 times. Every time we can fly this flight for 15 seconds or max 20 seconds. So if we press the on off switch once, it can fly for 15 seconds. If we long press the on button for 3 seconds, then it can fly for 20 seconds. After that, it automatically stops.